Okay, tonight for episode number 2 of Corey's Cooking, we're having roasted butternut squash, and I'm going to bake some chicken. So that's going to be episode number 2 starting right now, and we'll be right back with a short break. Okay, the first thing you got to do is you get your butternut squash and you got to cut it right in half. And I'm telling you, these things are not easy to cut. Cut it straight down the middle. See, once you get it split, you'll have two halves that look like this. Use a grapefruit spoon. A grapefruit spoon usually works best, but you can use a regular tablespoon. And you just dig out all those seeds there. Just like so. Scrape those seeds out. Alright. As much as you can out of there. All of them preferably. Then it'll look like that. You do your second half the same way. As you see, it comes out pretty easy. And just scrape those seeds on out of there. Alright, your second half will look like that. Let me take a quick break. Okay, now you got two halves of your butternut squash. And what you're going to do is get you some brown sugar, butter, and a little salt and pepper if you prefer. And since it's Halloween, I just want to show off that Michael Myers now. So there, check that out. Bling! No, that's Jason. Okay, you take some brown sugar. Swirl it in palms. And just sprinkle this all over. Put some down in the cavity that you de-seeded. Sprinkle some of that all over. Give a quick wash to my hands. Alright. Put up my brown sugar and I'll be right back. I'll get you some of that same old crunchy crock butter. So I want to thank y'all again for sponsoring us. And that same spoon, if I can find it. Get that same spoon, and you want to put, a pretty good amount in that cavity that you de-seeded. And also, it's your choice, but put a little bit on the back. And voila! I don't know about y'all, but I like butter. So does my grandma that I'm cooking for. So pretty generous amount of butter on there. See if you can see that.